Greetings, dear candidates. Welcome to 6-Minute Lectures. Today, we are going to cover the topic articles in English. You might be aware that there are 3 types of articles: a, an, and the. Today, we are going to cover what are articles, what are its uses, and what are the rules. But before we jump into articles, it is very important for us to know what are vowels and what are consonants. The English alphabet is divided into 2. Vowels, they are A, E, I, O and U. And all the other letters in the alphabet which are not in the vowels are the consonants.
Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 6364052525 to inquire and register. Now let's get back to the video.
It is important for us to know what the sounds of vowel are. So kindly repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. These are A, E, I, O, U respectively. Let's jump right into our topic for today. Let's start with a and an. A or an is used in front of a singular noun when we are talking in a more general sense. An is used in front of words which start with a vowel sound, and a is used in front of words which start with a consonant sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an Indian, an auger, an umbrella. In terms of A, when we are speaking, let's take examples of a ball, a cat, a dog, etc. On the other hand, the is again an article which we use in front of singular nouns, but when we are speaking in a more specific sense. The only difference being that the pronunciation of the changes depending on whether it's a vowel or a consonant. The pronunciation of the, when we use it in front of vowels, will be the. On the other hand, while we use it in front of consonants, it will remain the. For example, let's take vowels. We say the apple, the elephant, the Indian, the auger, the umbrella. On the other hand, let's see examples for consonants. We say the ball, the cat, the dog, etc. Until now, we have covered the basics of articles in English grammar. Now let's test your knowledge, shall we? Here are some fill in the blanks, and I want you to fill the blanks with either a or an, depending on the proper usage. In the first question, if you said a bar of chocolate, you're right. Because bar starts with the sound b, which is a consonant sound. So A would be appropriate. What is your answer for this one? If you said an hour of class, you're right. The reason is because hour starts with the sound a, which is a vowel sound. This one's a little tricky, isn't it? Did you say a European man? If yes, you're correct. The reason being, even though European starts with an E, which is a vowel, it starts with the sound y, which is not a vowel sound. Thus the answer is A, a European man. This one is an easy one. We all know the answer is an ice cream truck. Now that we have solved all the questions on the basis of A or an, let's go back and solve the same questions but fill in the blanks with the correct pronunciation of the word the. Let's see if your answers are correct. The answers are the bar of chocolate, the R of class, the European man, and the ice cream truck. I hope you all could take something away from today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.